Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in today. We're diving into a really important and tough topic, domestic violence. We'll go over how to spot the signs, what to do if you or someone you know is affected, and ways to calm down a tense situation. Remember, you're not alone in this. There are plenty of resources and support out there to help you. So let's jump in. So, what exactly is domestic violence? It can be any type of abuse, physical, emotional, psychological, or financial, within a relationship. And it can happen to anyone, no matter their age, gender, or background. Here are some signs to look out for. Physical harm. This includes any injuries like bruises or cuts that come from being hit or hurt. Emotional abuse. This might look like constant put-downs or criticisms that really chip away at someone's self-esteem. Controlling behavior. If someone is trying to dictate your life, like who you can talk to, what to wear, or where you go, that's a red flag. Isolation. Preventing someone from seeing friends or family is a huge warning sign. Financial abuse. This can mean controlling access to money or resources to keep power over someone. If you're facing domestic violence or know someone who is, it's really important to speak up and get help. Here's what you can do. Call the police. If you're in immediate danger, don't hesitate. Call your local emergency number. They're there to protect you and can help start the legal process. Document the abuse. Keep a record of incidents, dates, times, what happened. This info can be super useful if you decide to take legal action or reach out for help. Talk to someone you trust. Share what you're going through with a friend or family member. They can provide emotional support and help you find resources. Use a safe device. When you're searching for help or information online, use a device that your abuser doesn't have access to, just to keep yourself safe. Sometimes you might find yourself in a situation that feels like it could get violent. If you feel comfortable, here are some ways to de-escalate the situation. Stay calm. Keeping your cool can help set the tone and may influence the other person's behavior. Use open body language. Keep your hands visible and avoid crossing your arms or making sudden movements, which might seem threatening. Create space. If you can, put some distance between you and the other person to help reduce the chances of physical harm. Listen and empathize. Showing understanding can sometimes help calm someone down, but remember, it's not about excusing their actions. Offer solutions. If it feels right, suggest ways to resolve the issue or offer compromises to help ease the tension. There are tons of resources out there for those dealing with domestic violence. Here are a few options to consider. Hotlines. Call a domestic violence hotline, like the National Domestic Violence Hotline at 1-800-799-7233. They offer 24/7 support and can connect you to local resources. Shelters. Look for local shelters or safe houses that provide a safe place and support services. Counseling and therapy. Speaking to a professional who specializes in domestic violence can really help you process what you're feeling. Support groups. Joining a support group can be a great way to connect with others who've been through similar experiences and share strength. Legal assistance. It's worth consulting a legal advocate or attorney to explore your options like protection orders or custody matters. Domestic violence is incredibly tough to deal with, but the important thing is to remember that help is out there. By recognizing the signs, reporting abuse, using de-escalation techniques when needed, and seeking support, you can start to break free and rebuild your life. Thanks for watching, and congrats on taking the next step towards a better life. We hope you'll keep coming back to our channel for more helpful content. Even if it's a topic you think you never know what new tips you might pick up. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of course, please subscribe to our channel for more great content. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. At Adulting 101, we're here to help you thrive, not just survive.